and also for his teammates. Wala ngayong consistent second scorer itong Ginebra after Justin Brownlee. Kaya nahihirapan talaga silang mapunuan yung kakulangan na yun. This is the 11th game of Barangay Ginebra already. And I mentioned earlier, there's actually the same start when they went up against NLEX. Pero hindi pala, dahil ang nag-start.
Dan Harding.
Galing yan.
Every time you think na parang medyo out of bounds na siya, kasama lang yan sa game.
Depensa.
May nahanap yung NLEX.
Nabutas, ano?
Aguilar! Strong in the paint. Tingin mo pa ng isa. Malamig pa si Norbert Torres. LA. Yes.
Ayan na. Uminit na. LA Tenorio with a booming three-pointer. Now, this is the biggest lead of Barangay Ginebra, which stands at 8 points, 34.
He's going to try to go one-on-one against Brownlee. Oh, nice. Beautiful find. And Andre Caragot making things happen in the third.
I'm so impressed with guys who has the ability to move.
Here's Chan. Dinking three. Bang!
Such a tremendous rhythm player. He got his first shot using the back. The second one was in transition. And you know if he is in a very, very good flow.
Norwood, what a find. Libre si Belga.
He is enjoying it. He is relishing every moment. Every time he makes that three, usually he has a very animated gesture right after.
Yep. Mohon working on Thompson. Fade away. Beautiful move from the former San Beda Red Lion.
The elevation. Oh, turnover. Miscue. Passes inside. The interior defense of Barangay Ginebra has to be stronger. JB, he needs it. He only has 15 points thus far prior to that three-point shot and three-point made.
PBA veteran Henry Walker. Too easy for Aguilar. And that shot coming in the paint for Japet. Much needed steal. Tenorio. Thompson diving.